Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm happy you are here watching my next video. And the agenda of this video is sharing with you my review of the two Lenskart spectacles which I have recently ordered. And why I am sharing this, because I feel that you all must have experienced eye strains and due to increased screen time in this lockdown. So even students, a lot of professionals and people even at home, they are getting bored, and which eventually is affecting everybody. So let's just see how these two Lenskart spectacles can offer you, and how they can be help you reduce your strain and make your working and everything easy. So let's just unpack and see. Let's just review these two spectacles which I have ordered. So one is a zero powered computer glass, which is a zero powered glass. Another one is a powered glass. And the zero power is for one of my friends. So in order to get some offers on Lenskart, so we kind of ordered it together. And the other one is the powered one. So I think it will be a great contrast between the two. So it will cover a wide audience for this particular product. So yeah, let's just see. So this is the first pack which I am going to unpack, and let's just see what is there inside. So this is how I generally unpack the things, because that is a better way to manage the polybags and packages. So first thing I see here is this invoice. So this is that shows that you have bought this product and what are the discounts that are being offered and the prices and everything you have. So this is your bill, and so this one is pink transparent full rim cat eye Lenskart Air Sigma. So this is the one which I've ordered for myself. So it's a pink colored lens, pink colored frame, sorry, and it has the lenses which are fully loaded anti-glare thin lens. So these are the best lenses that have been available on Lenskart. So once I it's a bit tight here. Yeah. So within this, you get some Lenskart offers. So I got a family voucher of rupees 500, which is applicable after 30 days of delivery. So I can order one more spectacles for which I will get 500 rupee discount. And these are some other pamphlets and about the Lenskart and some services and the type of lenses, some exclusive information. So coming to this, the spectacle box. So it's a gray color box, which is a little matte finished, and there are some texture lines which are there on the this cover. And here you see it's written Lenskart, and on the back side it is written lenskart.com. So let's just open this. So yeah, here goes my specs. So this is the gray color fabric which you get inside, and it's a good good quality fabric. And yeah, so this is my lens, sorry, this is my spectacles which I have ordered, and yeah, so here it goes. Okay, so seems like a very premium quality frame, and the frame is very well built, and let's just see how it looks. Yes, so I was a bit dicey about such, because I've never tried something of this color. I was unconfident about how this color will look on me. So now you guys can see. So I think I have liked it, and it's a good frame. And this frame is, it's the. I'll share the link of this frame in the description box. And let's just put it aside and open the next one. So I can see. See, you can you'll be able to see this anti-glare film on the glass. So I hope it serves the purpose, and it will make things easier for us, for me. Okay. So this is the second package. I'll just open this one. So this is the computer class with zero power, and it's English. So again, one more bill in this, and let's see what is. Okay, so guys, this is how the packing comes. So this is a good quality box that comes, and within this you find the so again the same thing, the bill of the product, invoice, and yeah. So here it has some tape, which was not in the previous one, but let's just open this. Okay, again the standard packing of Lenskart, this box. So this is the zero powered lens, and you see, oh, it's a good frame. I don't know, but Lenskart frame quality is just superb. I mean, I feel that they are very and this is the I think this is a flexible lens, flexible frame. So yeah, Airflex. So Airflex, they have a property to to you can stretch them as much as, so they don't break very easily. So yeah, this is the second frame, and I really like this one. So I hope you like this. You must have liked this video, and I think I have recently started buying from Lenskart, so I really like this. You know, the frames and the offers. I know. I mean, it's a bit higher on the price side, but yeah, it's what's the quality which they offer, and where at the time of crisis when you can't go out, and so their service is very good. I mean, it was expected to be delivered post 3 days, but they delivered it on time, and I'm really thankful for Lenskart. Really good quality products. And guys, one very important thing for you to know is about this gold membership. So I have taken this 1 year gold membership, and this cost around 354 rupees. And the reason is that if you buy this gold membership, you will get heavy discounts. So my total bill was around 5,000 or something. But the moment I bought this gold membership and I applied it, I got this entire package. The two spectacles costed me around 3,462 rupees. So it's a very heavy discount. I got almost discount of 1,800 rupees. So I would say, and with gold membership, you will get some future discounts also. So it's a good thing to add some gold membership, and you will get heavy offers. And if you have to purchase spectacles for your family and for couple and for friends, so it is very beneficial to get a gold membership. You will get some profit out of it. So thank you. See you then. And please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more updates on products and or notifications. Hit the bell button and please like this video and share with your friends and family. Anybody who is doubtful about Lenskart. And for any queries, you can put some comments. And I hope I'll share more reviews on Lenskart products because I have 2 more spectacles from Lenskart. And I hope you will enjoy that. Thank you guys. Please stay safe. And I hope we recover from this situation early and wish to see our country back in the energy. Thank you. Jai Hind. See you.